Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Kishore the rider, Hyderabadi rider. So most of the people are actually looking for modifications for the paint work, and you can see all the tanks here, including like Triumph, Harley Davidson, Royal Enfield. So all this work is being done by Mr. Chitra, right? Hi Chitra, how are you?
I am good. Fine.
So I really appreciate the work you have done here. Like if you can help our audience, like how you are doing and how it actually looks, then if someone is really looking to get this job done, so they can reach you out.
Yeah.
And I'll be providing all the contact details in the description, and even I'll be displaying it on the screen. If anyone is looking, then definitely contact them. Yeah, please go ahead.
Hello. So these are all sample panels where we design. So this is like for a Royal Enfield where I gave this violet and red shades of design. So here this is like a Harley Davidson. Like we are providing the customers, like we do not only do Royal Enfield, we also do Harleys, Triumphs, Kawasaki's and everything. So these are like quite few samples of it. This is extremely like a lot of skulls. You can see a lot of skulls here.
Wow, it's really beauty.
So this is for a person who likes all raw and rustic things.
Wow, seriously, that's the real beauty actually.
This is like a lady, a cheetah, and a clock. It's a combination of it. And you can see another lady also here.
Awesome.
So this is another type of work where we get all the pearls, orange pearls, gold pearls, and everything.
One of my favorites actually.
If someone needs this fire, and you can go with these gold flake fires.
Cool.
It's a gold leaf.
Right. Nice.
And someone who likes classic kind of looks, they can go for this kind of design.
For the classic ones.
Yeah.
Cool.
So it's for the Triumph bond.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
So these are all sample panels where we show the customers the output will be of this kind. So this is another.
Okay, that looks like a Thunderbird.
Yeah,
That's a
it's
Thunderbird rank.
It's a gold pearl finish.
Look at the finishing here, it's really awesome. I mean, no one can actually feel like there is some, layer on it, but it's pretty good.
Yeah, you can't even feel the sticker kind of feeling also. This is not a sticker, it's a completely custom art. So
Pretty
it's
right.
Yeah, it's all airbrushing and done with custom. And this like fish scales. This is for Royal Enfield Classic. It's a fish scale finish on a copper.
Oh, really nice. Like, yeah, to be frank, like if you see at the paint job and all, it actually looking like a sticker, but it's not. But it's a totally paint, and then you don't even feel any kind of layer like touching when you're doing like this. It's really smooth, and the work is like pretty awesome. And can we see your workshop if you don't mind?
Yeah, please come.
Thank you.
So here all the custom works will be done. Here it's another Thunderbird 500 cc bike.
Oh.
So I'm doing a gold leaf and a copper leaf finish on it.
Oh,
so it's
cool.
in progress now. And you can see all this stuff.
Oh, like already like a lot of work is being done.
Everything will be, yeah, it's under progress.
Yeah, yes, we can see it actually. Yeah, it's currently in work. So once after work is done,
Yes.
definitely it is going to be a beauty. Few other tanks here.
So the finished products will be on the other side of the road. Yeah. So we'll wrap it up everything, and we'll just put it up here. And if the
Okay.
customer wants, we'll show it.
Okay, nice.
And beside the paint booth will be where all the paint job will be done. Yeah. If you want to see the paint booth, I will show the paint.
Yes, let's go to the paint work and all. Look at this place, like seriously, it's amazing. And let's go to the workshop.
basic finishing will be done like this. So
Okay.
base work, the primer, the denting and everything will be done here.
Okay.
And then inside the paint will be done inside. The clear coat, the paint, base work and all.
Nice. So like kind of a full setup and all.
Yes, yes.
Cool. So really thanks for the tour. Hope I mean even everyone will like I literally like all the work you have done,
Yeah,
and yes, people will definitely reach you out for the work.
sure, sure. I'm looking forward.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. So guys, like here is a closer look of each and every design and how it's looking. Hope you like the video. Definitely please share it. The work you can see right behind me. If you like it, contact the numbers I have shared in the description and I have shown it on the display. So reach out to them. Hope you have liked the video. Thank you a lot. Bye.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own